Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Iyabuya izingane zesithembu. So izingane zesithembu angilapha sikhombisa khona abantwana bamusamsele kubo asine mpumelelo abongwe mnini bonke nje guys, bonke. So lapho siyadika ukuthi kunema-girlfriend abani ampumelelo because iyoba kuphi drama vele. So basikhombise la kuyodlala khona la uTirelo ayotshela uMusamseli ukuthi umpumelelo une-girlfriend lensha and ufuna kumkhokhela amalobolo. And bantu bathi wena usakhona kanzi wena wena kanzi usadate nampumelelo even no ngisho noma ubona awuvuyukazi ukuthi wayebona ukuthi this thing it's not working, washiya phansi alamadlotwana mpumelelo. Wena owadecide akubeketela gele sebantu nje bayasho ukuthi then uthi swayini pho if umpumelelo afuna kulobola lento abadane, because you know vele ukuthi nompumelelo ngikhanda elimtshelo kwakhe ufuna kwenda into ngendlela yakhe. So people are saying nje ukuthi girl, why are you tolerating such you're still young, unemntwana loyi-one nampumelelo, why are you acting as if it's the end of the world? Vele wena nompumelelo mbanjelwe emadloti ngaphandle kwampumelelo, your life it's nothing. Why ungafundzela phana kuvuyukazi? You know, people are saying ukuthi uvuyukazi was the smartest person ever, and uvuyukazi guys iqanda likhanti abantu abaningi bamthanda nje. Ngisho nalesikhathi still data umpumelelo, people were still saying ukuthi siyamthanda, people were siding with uvuyukazi basho nje ukuthi uTirelo usempilweni yabo just kutomosha nje bona bathethanzela abani uvuyukazi. That's why uvuyukazi makapost picture guys your trend abantu bakhulume ngayo bamcomplimente, but uma ngaposta Tirelo people will complain about her weight, bathi unonile, bathi like they are always finding ways ukuthi bamcrush kuTirelo because vele abamthandi and they feel ukuthi uma ngaba kuzange kwafika yena empilweni ayampumelelo navuyukazi ngabe impumelelo navuyukazi basese right, bambona nje njengemoshi like umuntu wabamoshela i-relationship yabo. So bantu nje bathi wena usakhona usacomplaina, hayi girl hayi pakisha umthwalo vele uhambe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.